Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're taking a closer look at Godox's brand new range of softboxes, the quick release or the QR series of parabolic softboxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, leave a comment down below in the comment section your thoughts on the QR series of parabolic softboxes. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. So it's gonna be a quick video today because we're just taking a closer look at these brand new range of Godox softboxes. Godox have a bunch of different models available, including regular softboxes, they've got parabolic ones, they've got umbrellas, everything. So we've actually done a comparison for Godox softboxes. So if you want to take a closer look at that video, click the link up above. Now, so this one here is the brand new QR series that you can see here. I've got the smaller version here, it's the QR P70. There's also a P90 and a P120. And what those numbers there represent are just the size. So this one here is a parabolic softbox. It's 70 centimeters in diameter. It's the smallest one in the range. Now you will, if you're aware of the Godox range of softboxes, there are the parabolic softboxes just called the P90 and the P120L. So these are basically the same thing, but they're QR, and the QR stands for quick release, which means it's easy to set up, and it's a lot less fiddly than having to put all those rods together, especially for something like a parabolic softbox that has 16 rods, rather than something that's a lot easier, like a rectangle softbox with only 4. So let's take a closer look at what's included. Firstly, it comes in this carry case, which is neat because obviously you want to keep all your softboxes and accessories all together in this carry case. It's got a little shoulder strap that you can see here, which is good just for transporting, especially if you're going on location. And here we have the softbox itself. Now it already looks really high quality. You can see the speed ring at the back here. It's a Bowens speed ring. That means it's compatible with pretty much all of Godox's lights, including their flashes and their continuous lights. Some of Godox's lights have their own proprietary mount, the Godox mount, but with those lights there, you can actually get the adapter that changes it from Godox mount to Bowens mount, especially for things like the 8300, etc. So Bowens mount is a good choice because not everyone has Godox lights. So if you have other lights that have Bowens mounts, this one here will be compatible. It's already a sturdy build, and you can see all the little quick release tabs along the outer edge of the speed ring here. So these look like they're very high quality, and you can see how many there are. So as mentioned, it's a parabolic softbox, there's 16 of them, and it would be super fiddly if you had to insert each rod, regardless of how flexible it is, because some of the other previous ones that you have to construct are fiberglass rods. This one here you can see they're actually made from metal, so you can see the rods are metal, but it's like a flexible type of metal there, and it's very high quality. Now, branding on the softbox is quite nice as well. You can see it's got some orange seams here, and it also has the Godox branding too, which is nice. And you also have the Velcro attachments here. So as you continue to expand each of the rods, it'll obviously get quite tight and there'll be a bit of tension. So you'll loosen those Velcro attachments there just so to make it a lot easier for you to sort of construct the softbox, and then you'll close it up as you go along. So to demonstrate how to set this up, you literally just grab and then you'll hear that click in, and you'll see the rod itself. If I just move it that way, you can see the rod actually curve across like that, and you basically just do it 16 times. So now as you get towards the last few here, this is where I mentioned it'll get quite tight and there'll be a lot of tension on the softbox itself, which is why they have those Velcro attachments. And you continue to do the last few, and the softbox is constructed nice and easy. Now you just make sure that it's going to be fully enclosed as you seal up the softbox, and you'll just basically pull across the Velcro tabs like that and make sure they're super aligned, because you don't want any gaps towards the back of the softbox there, otherwise you'll lose some of the light. I mean, it's not too much of a deal if there are a few gaps and you haven't constructed it correctly. It's not going to affect it drastically, but it's still good practice to sort of seal that all up at the back there. So as you get to the last Velcro parts there, it gets quite tight. You can see there, it's not perfect. You can still see the Velcro on that side there, but the majority of the outer ring of the softbox here is completely closed. And you have obviously the light passing through here from your continuous light. Now on the inside here, you can see it's all silver lining. So I'm not sure if they'll be releasing a white lining version. So this is a reflective material. It's obviously the standard format for softboxes. And you can see all the Velcro tabs on the inside here because they give you diffusers as well. So these diffusers are your standard inner and outer diffusers. So you have the larger outer diffuser, and then you've also got the inner diffuser that'll fit along the tabs here, and then the outer diffuser on the outside here. Now there are grids that are available for these softboxes separately, so you can purchase those. They're not included in the standard package here. But if you're wanting to direct the light a lot more, so rather than a wide throw of light, you want to direct the light and focus in, perhaps to create more dramatic lighting effects, then use the grid. But besides that, that's the softbox. Now to deconstruct the softbox, all you need to do is sort of pull back on the tab and then press the button, and then it releases it like so there, and you just need to do that in reverse 16 times. So that's why they call this the quick release softbox, because obviously it's a lot easier to construct. If you're familiar with the traditional softboxes, you literally have separate rods, separate softbox cover, and then a separate speed ring, and inserting each one of those gets super hard. You sometimes even need 2 people, so it's a lot easier to have this sort of mechanism to deconstruct the whole thing there. So you can see there I've managed to construct it, deconstruct it, all within the span of this video, so it's nice and easy. Now the great thing about this whole quick release thing is that it's actually just becoming more and more popular. We actually have a range of Spectrum Pro parabolic softboxes that have a similar mechanism. So these quick release softboxes are actually sort of becoming the standard format, which is good because that means it just saves you a lot more time. You don't need an assistant. You'll be better off sort of when you're going on location, in studio, setting these up on your own. So here's a quick example of the Spectrum Pro parabolic softbox. Also has a quick release mechanism that you literally pull up and you'll hear a little click that locks in, and then you just press down on the button to quick release also. So you can see that these sorts of softboxes are definitely becoming a lot more popular in the market. Now in terms of the different shapes and sizes, so this one here is obviously a parabolic softbox. They may release QR or quick release versions of other shapes and sizes. So you know, your traditional octabox, a strip box perhaps, or maybe a rectangular softbox, which will definitely be a lot better because you know, obviously different shapes and sizes will create different throws of light. Pro parabolic ones are great to mimic sunlight or direct sunlight, and because it is a round shape, it sort of offers an even spread of light as you're shooting, so that's really good too. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing and review of the brand new Godox QR P70 parabolic softbox. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a like in the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions. Follow us on social media at HiPop and visit our website, hipop.com.au. Thanks for watching.